What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Today we're doing something super exciting for the Type R. We got this Mugen steering wheel. Mugen, however you say it. We got this Mugen steering wheel and I'm super excited to get this installed. We got the nice leather here on the sides. We got some carbon. I don't know if it's real carbon or not, but it looks like some dry carbon. It looks awesome. I'm so happy I got this off Facebook Marketplace, got a pretty good deal. And now we're gonna go ahead and install. We already got our battery disconnected on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and put this beautiful thing on it. This is my first Mugen part I believe I've ever owned, and the quality is awesome. I'm super excited to see how this feels for regular driving and then eventually on the track coming up here shortly. So stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna do a really quick install on this and show you how it looks. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We got more content coming. Last couple of videos have been the overland build of the Tacoma, which I'm super excited for, with this tent hanging over my head that I can't wait to go camping again. But we got a lot more content coming. We got more Type R content coming in shortly. We're gonna just continue having fun with this car and installing little bits and pieces that I'm super excited to put on. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Now let's put on this steering wheel. Look at the comparison between these two. This is gonna look awesome inside the Type R interior. We're gonna go ahead and remove all the little bits and pieces off this steering wheel and slap everything right on here. And then we'll put this back on. All right, so we got the wheel installed. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It looks awesome in here with the shift knob as well. I don't know if I want the Mugen shift knob, not the biggest fan. I like this one right here that I have. I'm pretty happy about it. I believe these are off the FL5. So I love this one right here. But man, this thing is awesome. Yeah, I'm super happy about it. This is probably one of my favorite upgrades on this car now, and I can't wait to do more. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.